This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Ehrman. Open house SAT, Sun 1:30 to 3:30. Charming street in this hidden gem of a neighborhood. This is a 4-bedroom, 1/2 bath Cape Cod and is located on the largest lot in the neighborhood. 90 feet of street frontage provides a unique, bonus lot for dogs, hobbies, etc., offering another 2,970 square feet in fenced yard space and a total 9,000 square feet lot. This charming home opens to the living room with a new deck off-screen porch for easy entertaining, updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances. View from the dining room to kitchen creates an open feel to the space with new high-end luxury vinyl flooring. Original hardwood flooring throughout the rest of the home. First floor laundry room with storage. 2 spacious first floor bedrooms west/full Jack and Jill bath. Upstairs has 2 bedroom/office spaces with a half bath. Privacy fence in back and side yards and storage shed, as well as an above-ground pool that can convey or be removed. Close to shopping downtown, beaches and interstates, pool and shed convey as is. For more information, review the details below.